How's it going, guys? So in this video I'm going to show you guys how to quickly replace the garage door lock, which is right over here. So we just bought this house and we don't have the key to the garage, and so I went ahead, go to my local hardware store and got a universal garage door lock with keyed with a keyed core. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the old lock and then put the new lock in, and then we're going to take a look and see whether it's going to work good or not. Okay, so to remove the old lock, first thing first, we have to pop the spring off. It's a quite long screw, takes a while to unscrew. And when you screw this one with the spring attached, make sure you catch the spring, okay? So like so. I'm going to leave this the spring on the side. I'm going to unscrew the rest of the screws. Alright, so this is what the old lock looks like. And next we're gonna actually remove the key and get it started. Also held by two screws. Simply unscrew it. And the lock should drop off from the other side. And this is the old lock, pretty rusty now. So we have the hole exposed, and next I'm just gonna take the new kit out and then put everything back up in the order, in the reverse order. So basically I'm gonna put the key core in, get it aligned, and then put the locking mechanism back on there and test it one more time, okay? And as you can see, this is what you're getting. You're getting about 8 screws, and the plates for mounting the key on the outside, and the other piece is the actual bolt mechanism. So interestingly, the diameter of the bolt is actually wider, so I don't really want to drill a new hole. So what I'm going to do is actually just going to use the original deadbolt lock, and but what I'm going to use is the brand new key that was included with the kit, and the key actually goes into the old one perfectly fine. So essentially I spent about $9 to just get a new key for the garage door, so I can actually lock it myself instead of not able to lock it when I leave the every day for work. So that's what I'm going to do, and pretty much I'm going to be using the original 4 self-tapping screws from the old bolt, which is right here. But then for the door, for the lock mechanism, I'm going to be using all the new hardwares included from the new set that I bought. Okay, so let's get started. So first thing first, I need to go find a tape to actually kind of tape the lock outside, and then I could go inside and just align the screws from the inside to get the key in position. All right, I use the tape for the outside. Now I come inside, and basically what I'm going to do is I grab the tongue from the key core, and I'm just going to align one of the screw to the key outside, and then screw it in. That way I could easily align the other screw from the inside as well. It's going to be tricky because you're going to have to do it a few times to get it aligned. almost there. So I'm gonna go outside and double check to make sure it's still aligned, and then we're gonna install the actual knob, the locking mechanism. So the outside looks pretty good, and I'm gonna tighten this, and then we're gonna continue with our installation. So now you have this deadbolt over here, and the existing lock, I'm gonna align it. Alright, so installation is complete. That's how you can replace the garage door lock. Pretty straightforward, just at maximum 6 to 8 bolts that you have to replace. Otherwise, if you don't originally have the hole over here, you probably have to drill a hole or use the included self-tapping screw to tap the holes. So again, to recap, I did not use the new deadbolt. I used my existing deadbolt. The only thing I changed is the keyhole. Okay, so now I can have my own key to lock the garage door when I leave if I need to, and I wouldn't have to worry about someone else coming over here and use the lock. Okay, so that's it.